Bitcoin pump seems inevitable. From this very area, we've seen the bulls take control of the market up to this very area. But one thing that is very important on the chart right here is the fact that this very level of resistance have to break before we can confirm this very bullish move that we are seeing on the chart right now. I'll be talking about this in detail in today's video and also on ETH. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, technical analysis, and trading strategy. Right here on the Bitcoin chart, BTC USDT 1 day, you see the market move from this very point upward, and there is no confirmation of the market not moving to the downside yet. What I'm trying to say is that if you look at the way market was moving downward from this very point, market moved in form of a retracement, and then we have correction here, fail swing, market come back down, create a new low. We have another retracement right here, market create a new low. What we have to see here is market moving upward and then fail swing before market is going to move to the upside. That means we should see the market fail to create a new low at this very point before market will move to the upside. So what we've seen on the chart is the market moving upward, which is fine. No structure have shifted yet on this very chart. So what you should be expecting, first of all, a possibility of this market moving from here upward and create a high, higher than this very high right at this very point, which is very significant. And a retracement will come into the market and then the next move upward. This is a typical thing that I am paying attention to. And what I am expecting the chart to play out is this kind of situation. Market should move upward, create a new high, higher than this, and the market is going to retrace before the next move upward. This retracement can take a lot of time, probably, but expect the market to move upward a little bit, okay? Creating a new high, higher than this very high right here, before that retracement is going to come into the market. And if you move back to a lower time frame, for example, the 4-hour chart, you discover that this is very, very critical. On this very area, we see the market begin to break out on this very consolidation area. So if you look at it, this area consolidated, and right now we are seeing a breakout. So a breakout means that market have capacity of moving into this very point, creating a new high higher than this very point that I have been talking about on the 1-day chart. This very point is very important. So expect the market to move upward after this breakout, and then market is going to retrace and then continuation to the upside. One thing that is also a key takeaway on this very chart is, if you notice the way this chart has been moving downward, market has been moving from this very point of resistance downward, okay, create a new low, lower than the previous low, and the market retrace here, create a new low lower than this very low right here. Right now, this full move is still a retracement. Why? Because the market has not created a new high higher than the previous point where the last impulse went to the downside from. Okay, so from this very area, market is going to move upward. That is why I want to see the market move upward, create a new high first, and then come back down for retracement. Give us a nice buy opportunity for the market to move upward again on the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT. And back here to the ETH chart, if you look at it as well, market is in a downtrend, regardless of the fact that we are seeing a little move from the bulls right now on this very chart. And I made mention of this very level of resistance. We have to break these for the market to move upward on the ETH 1-day chart right here. We have to break it, because if you look at the way market has been moving to the downside from this very point, market move down, we have retracement, market move down, create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point, and then we have here market retrace, market move down, create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very area, and market is moving upward again. It has not created any new high, because that is what we need to see for us to confirm that the market is going to ride up as we approach every day in this very week. So what I am expecting on this very chart, on the 1-day chart right here, is for the market to move upward and create a new high, possible retracement before continuation upward again. And if you go back to the 4-hour chart, which will further simplify this chart for us, you discover right here that market consolidated around this very area. We see this movement upward within this very zone of a little resistance right at this very point and this very level of support right here. And then we've seen this breakout. What I am expecting right now is for the market to retrace. There should be a retracement on this very chart. So market have capacity, move upward, create a new high. There's some problem, but that retracement is needed for us to enter a buy position to the upside on the 4-hour chart. So these are the things you need to pay attention to and watch. Put in your strategy right now on the ETH and BTCUSD chart, both 1-day and 4-hour chart right here. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Don't forget to check this very channel. The description of this video, you will see Binance, OKX, and Bybit link. Follow the link and claim all the bonuses when you use the affiliate link down below the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.